Integrating a 3-2-1 alignment with a best fit alignment is beneficial because best fit adjusts the alignment based on the overall geometric data distribution, minimizing the cumulative error between the measured points and the nominal CAD model. While 3-2-1 sets a strict physical reference framework, best fit alignment optimizes the alignment by minimizing deviations across all measured data, improving measurement accuracy, and compensating for minor imperfections or deviations in the datum features of the part. Best fit does not have a minimum number of points to be taken. The greater the number of points, the better the calculation will be between nominal and measured points. Let's see how to make this in TouchDMIS. As we saw in the preview tutorial, we have created a 3-2-1 alignment using a plane, a line, and a point. Given that the part and CAD are synchronized, now we can switch the CMM to prog mode to measure the points that will be used for best fit. Select the plane or the surface and measure some points. There is no minimum number or limit of points. Here, for practical reasons, we select 3 from the upper plane and 2 from the side planes. Now, go to Datum and Alignment and select Best Fit Alignment. Open the database and select all the points we have measured. Check that the option point to plane is selected, and ensure that the Equate CAD button is enabled. Then, press Apply Alignment. And finally, press Confirm to accept the alignment. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next tutorial.